So this is a second in two videos. So if you haven't already looked at the one on setting up your Canvas for grades, you want to start there. And this is where we left off. And so the next thing that you could potentially do with Canvas is to include your course materials here. So if you have handouts, or if you want to provide links to videos, if you're interested in a number of different ways to kind of share material with students, you can do that. And what you would do is start in settings and make modules available for students. Oops, go up there. And I usually put my modules near the top. And then we're going to save that change. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into modules. And much like with grades, you can have a module, you can have multiple modules. So you could have one with links to websites and videos. And then you could add another module, those class handouts. Okay, and then inside of each, you can provide material for students. And you can reorganize things along the way. You can kind of move them up and down. So for me, if it was my world, I would probably move. It's not behaving right now. So let me not worry about it. I'll show you later. And then what you can do is you can add a number of things. You can add URLs so that you could put in a website. What do we got? Like Sierra College. You could take a website, like copy this address and put it right here. And then this is Sierra College. We recommend you always load it in a new tab. You can organize them by indenting them. Seems over the top to me. You could go, if you have the library available here, there's a wonderful service called Films on Demand. You could link videos there. You could here link things that were assignments and things like that, files that you've given. So if you want to, for example, probably be a good idea, I always try to make my syllabus impossible to miss. So maybe add the syllabus in, and then pull a new file that you have on your computer that is a description of all scapegoats, because we're deeply pessimistic humans, and you can add that item. Now, when you do this with these, you can have them kind of look like this, which is, I often do, I admit it, or you can edit them so that it is, it looks prettier and it's just your syllabus. Okay, and then what you've done is you've made any number of different kinds of things available. As you do these, you want to always be careful that they aren't unpublished, because then nobody can see them. And as you look at your options, then this is also a place where if you wanted to have quizzes or those kinds of things, you could link them up here. You have to make your quiz first. So Canvas can get just about as complicated as you want, but don't make it feel overwhelming. Kind of maybe take it one step at a time. You may already have a website, and so one of the things you may choose to do here, let me see these, that has to be published, is you could then link to your website. And help people move back and forth with links between them. There's all kinds of fun things you can do. And so again, Canvas is a nice tool. I know that there's other tools you're already using, but this is something that's available. So keep in mind that it is a valuable resource as you move forward, and you really need to use it for student grades at a minimum. Okay, great. Thanks a lot.